So I started off by taking off all the keycaps, removing all of the switches, and prepping the board for me to put in all of the new switches. I put in my pre-lubed new box white switches from Amazon simply because I wanted a bigger tactile bump. I didn't want linear switches to be all of the switches in my board. The Timmybug one is done. Arrow keys first. The Timmybug one. I have ascended. Time for the sound test. Alright, I'm pleased. Keyboard, wonderful. Absolutely love it. Thank y'all so much for watching. My hair's a mess, and I will talk to y'all later. Goodbye. Goodness sakes, why are you still here?